So do this activity at home. Okay, very nice example. And after that, conclusion is if two halves fit exactly, then it is a symmetrical figure. Okay, symmetrical figure. Now see, I have made some models. See this one. You also do at home. This is a flower vase, right? Flower vase. So I made it like this. I have drawn, I have made this flower vase. The student only made and given to me. So you also make at home and give to me. And draw a dotted line from the exactly from the center, and then it will come to halves, and then back side with a cloth. With cloth and gum, you paste it with Fevicol or something. Then you see, if I am folding this one, exactly this figure is covering. See, again I will show you. This is a flower vase, and I am folding this one exactly, and so this is called symmetrical figure, right? Very nice and example, very good example for symmetrical figure, this one. And I have made this one also. In the sense the student only made. I told them to make it like this, and they made. So this is a butterfly. So here is also same, with a piece of cloth. You have to paste it after cutting from the dotted line, and you fold it from here. You see, this is also exactly nowhere longer and nowhere shorter. Exactly these two sting also. So exactly covering. So this is called symmetry. These two figures are called symmetry. Like this, some figures are here in your books, friends. Is there butterfly? Already I shown you. This is flower. This is just now I told. It's a very good example. The human body. So from exactly, if you draw dotted lines from the human body, and if it is exactly same, if its body is not a defective, then exactly same, and then if it is exactly same, then this face is also symmetrical. This is one leaf. So you can also, any out of 4 you make at home any 2, and keep with you only whenever school reopen, and we will call you and you submit. Or better, you are coming for homework, no, submitting the homework, you bring at that time. Then it will be very nice, and you will understand this one. And now this dotted line, whatever I have drawn here, this is called axis of symmetry. This one you have to learn. Axis of symmetry. This one is called axis of symmetry. Okay, this dotted line is called axis of symmetry. So this figure I explained you. Now there are some axis, another topic, axis of symmetry for some geometrical figure. Okay, so same manner how I explained there. So you draw some rectangles with 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and draw some rectangles with 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and you trace them. Okay, you trace them, or simple on A4 size paper, you draw the rectangles with 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter and cut them. After cutting, exactly half of 6 is how much, students? Yes, 3. So you choose exact at 3 and draw the dotted line. Draw the dotted line like this. Okay, for first one. Then again here it is how much? 4. Half of 4 is 2. So again exactly at 2 centimeter you draw the dotted line. Okay, then you fold it from here. Then you will see that this half is completely fitting on this half completely. Now, so this rectangle is symmetrical. And again this one also, if after cutting this, after draw this line, you just fold it, and you will see that this half will fit to this half exactly. So this is also symmetrical figure. But the thing is that if you draw like this, you do this one also. If you draw the dotted line like this, then whenever after drawing the dotted line, you fold it from here, and you will see this portion will not cover this portion exactly. So this is not axis of symmetry. In this way it is not axis of symmetry. This is axis of symmetry. If you draw vertically and horizontally, you will get. But if you draw diagonally, then this two will not. This triangle or this half is not fit here exactly. So this is not axis of symmetry. And if you draw like this also, you will not get. So it is there also in your book, so you will not get. So the question is, how many axes of symmetries are there for a rectangle? So how many? 1, 2. These two are not axes of symmetry. How many? 2 axes. Plural form is axes. 2 axes of symmetry. 2 axes of symmetry. But if you do for square, so same, you draw a square of all sides 6 centimeters. Okay, all sides 6 centimeters. Then draw the axis of symmetry like this. Then like this. This is called vertical. This is called horizontal. All this line is called axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Now draw like this. Very interesting. Draw like this and like this. But here, whenever this two you will get like rectangle, but whenever you draw diagonally in a square, you will see that this half will completely fit with this half. So this one is also axis of symmetry and this one also axis of symmetry. So for a square, how many axes of symmetry are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 axes of symmetry. Okay, 4 axes of symmetry. Like this, you draw for a circle also. Okay, like this you draw for a circle also, and you draw like this. You draw like this axis of symmetry, and from how many axes of symmetry are here? You fold it the circle from all the axes of symmetry. You will get in first half will be covering the second half exactly. So for circle, okay, understanding? For circle, how many axes of symmetry are there? So many, because we can draw so many diameters for a circles, uncountable. So you write so many. Okay, right. Thank you, sir.